Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your device and OS so you use the right controls. Open Settings and go straight to Do Not Disturb or Focus. Don't linger. Turn DND on now, and, if you want, set a schedule so it activates automatically. Once done, make sure to note whether calls are silenced always or only when locked. This initial setup prevents interruptions while you adjust call exceptions in the next steps. You'll choose how calls are treated. Open Allow Calls from and pick Everyone, Contacts, Favorites, or No One. Select No One to stop calls completely. If you want an emergency bypass, enable repeated calls so a second call within minutes rings. Also pick Silence Always versus while locked so you control whether calls ring on an active device. Once configured, make a test call from a secondary number to confirm behavior and adjust the exception list if it still rings. Finish by blocking persistent numbers directly in your phone app or contacts. Tap the info icon and choose Block. For spam or unknown callers, install your carrier's or a reputable call blocking app and enable its permissions. If calls still come through, restart the phone, install OS updates, and recheck Focus/DND permissions for phone and third-party apps. If problems persist, remove and re-add the schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.